YouTube, giving an update of my purple corn. This is actually store-bought purple corn. What I did is I had purchased some corn at the international market. I had it in a bag and I let it sit at the bottom of the fridge for 2 years. And when I went to check on it, all the kernels were extremely hard, which let me know that they were ready for planting. So this is an experiment. I popped them in the ground. Well, actually, I didn't pop them in the ground first. I put them in a 72 seed, 72 cell seeder. I saw sprouts and I said, interesting. They are growing. I went ahead and built this in my earlier video. You can see me building this. And I don't have a I didn't have a tiller, so I had to hand till this, and it was a lot of work. But they've been in the ground now for about 2 weeks, and this is what they're looking like now. I have them covered because still have a groundhog on the premises, and it has been doing damage. I believe we have two more, and hopefully I can catch them because I'm at the point where they're gonna make me quit this because it's just too much trying to keep these critters off everything. All right, stay tuned. I will keep you updated on how everything looks. Thanks for watching.